Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories like to share new album for you, which I already finished. It's album for a baby girl, and paper I use for is from Margaret. mycrafttime.com, and I first time saw that paper pad and I just love it. So I use album 6 by 6 inches ready to decorate, and album have 6 pages, double pages, and for spine I just fussy cut beautiful pictures and hang 2 tags, and on back side I use this image. So let's see. On cover I fussy cut and fussy cut that circle and use acetate, and we can change the photos inside. So album have name Our Little Miracle. Let's see how I decorate the album. I have to tell it's almost always my problem. I admire the work which designer do it. So usually I can't cut paper, so also for this I have 12 by 12 paper, and I try to use all this I can tell miracle design. So back of cover is that sweet woman with teeny baby, and I with glossy accent decorate I love you, and I give sign baby girl, and here we can put photo mats, so it's double, it's a little booklet. Here I just love that image, dear little one, and we can add photos here, and it's flap, and when I open the flap I make pocket here, so also can go 9 by 13 photos, and same here on the bottom. Oops, let's go. So photos go like that, and then we have page where I don't want to cover that beautiful design. So I use acetate and make acetate pocket where we can slide photo, and also other side have same acetate. Oops, let's go. Where we can slide, and I am ready because I know for who the album will be. I am ready to make more that booklet, and here we can open, and again pocket is here to slides photos here and also here. So when we closed, we go for order. Here I just cut that roses. It's pocket here. It's a little bit glue. Okay, we have to fix that. I have to fix that. Okay, so we can slide the photo here like that, and also here like that. I just love. Next, I make closure with that carriage, and some teeny tag can go here, that envelope, and when I open, it's pocket and photos can go inside. I really don't want to disturb the design, so closure is like that. Next, I use that envelope which was inside oops, let's go. Okay, so it goes like that. And that was on the paper, was designed, that envelopes. So I just use day design. Next, it goes like that. So photos again go here. I put tiny ribbon and we can open, and pocket is here and also here. So all pages, because it's an album for 15 by 15 centimeters, so I decide to put only photos 9 by 13 centimeters here and here. Back is flap, and here is a little frame, and we can slide photo here, also behind it mushrooms, and it's more behind it mouse. Okay, I know I don't glue it. Okay, so it can go like that. Then here behind that girl, that panorama with that horses, that landscape, it's beautiful. Okay, next. Is pocket here, and because I make envelope here where we can put photo inside, but we can also photo put behind that envelope. So envelope closed by magnet. And next, catch. So we have here number 1, because photos can go into the pocket, and ta-da, when I open, it's beautiful image, picture. If I have photo, maybe I can put photo for baby, but I don't have photo, so I put that beautiful girl. And last one is frame, and we can take that image off, and on the other side we can put our baby girl inside. So I hope the album, you like it. that paper collection is unbelievable nice, beautiful. I love it. So that is my new Our Little Miracle album. I hope you like it, and see you on next video. Thank you very much to visit my channel. Your comment support me and make me courage to make more and more projects. Thank you very much. Bye bye, guys.